So, hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 26th of May till the 1st of June. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the course of tarot reading and for readings and healing sessions. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, two links are given below in the description box. So let's start, Taurus. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see what's happening. We have the Six of Cups. Someone is missing you. This past energy is not leaving your energy field. What is happening? This past energy is in your energy field for more than 8-9 months now. Wow. This is somebody who's missing you like crazy. It's like severe nostalgia. The relationship that you guys share, the bond, the love, the care, everything. Let's clarify the Six of Cups. Wow, it's like cards falling like crazy. We have the Tower, the Devil, and the Page of Swords. If there was a third party situation, that fell apart. Now this person is watching you like a hawk, like somebody who is kind of in dire need of being with you. Wow. So if somebody left you for a third person here, third party here, that relationship is crumbling apart. That obsession is over. That game is over. Now somebody is watching you like crazy and they are missing you like crazy. Now, for those of you, if this was a toxic person, if this was a toxic situation between you and this person, now this person is coming to their senses, what they did wrong with you, what went wrong in the situation, and now they are like watching you and missing you from a distance, but stalking you like crazy and missing you like crazy. This is typical energy of lost case and now understanding the true meaning of what they lost. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Taurus? What's happening? Three of Swords. You are still heartbroken. You are still moving on. You are still in this energy of healing yourself. You are still not over a heartbreak or pain full situation. Let's clarify the Three of Swords here. We have the Page of Cups and the Knight of Cups and the Four of Swords. You are still hoping for something or someone to show up in your life, although you're healing and moving ahead, but you're still stuck on the idea of at least getting some kind of message, communication, apology, or proper closure, or something like that. For some of you, even if you're not waiting for the message, communication, apology from a specific person, you are longing for love. You feel like you should have love in your life, but you're not getting it. Although you're healing and moving on, you are still in this energy of wanting a lot of love, a lot of care, true love. Wow. So definitely you're heartbroken and you're healing, but either you are waiting for somebody to show up and give you a proper closure, message, communication, apology, or you are longing for love, wanting it badly right now these days. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Three of Pentacles. Their intention is to make things work out somehow, come back together for collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. We have the Hermit, the Five of Swords, and the Eight of Cups. I am going to kill this person. I am going to slap this person on your behalf if you allow me to. So, they want to pretend that they are moving on, they don't care. But their soul wants to collaborate with you. Their soul wants to come back and make this happen between you and them. Soul cannot lie. Soul cannot pretend. Soul cannot fake it. This person's soul is still craving for this connection because they know it was a deep and meaningful connection. Their mind is continuously telling them to keep moving ahead, never look back, whatever happened, happened, game over. Okay. They want to pretend that they don't care, but they do very deeply. Because the universe, it's like karma slapping them on their face and telling them what they did wrong. Now it could be you. The roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind, Taurus. It's not like you can never do anything wrong with anybody. Might be you are the one who did something wrong with somebody. Now you're missing them like crazy, but you want to pretend everything is okay. Take it how it resonates with you according to your energies. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? Four of Wands. You want stability. You want something long term. You want something that is going to stick around. Typical Taurus energy, wanting safety and stability and security. Let's clarify the Four of Wands. You want your divine counterpart now. You just want somebody to be with you. Star, Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. You want to heal yourself properly so that you can attract the person that's good for you. At the same time, you want to keep the gate open for something or someone from your past that you are trying to let go of. You're not completely closing the doors for a past person, past energy. That's over, that's gone. But you're still in this energy of, if they are meant to be for me, they will come back. I'm keeping the gate open. If not, universe, please help me to connect with the person or energy that's actually meant for me. That's my divine counterpart. That is my happily ever after. Yeah, that's your energies. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 1st of June, honey. Hierophant, this is your energy only. A lot of spiritual growth and awareness. This is you only, honey, Taurus. Let's clarify the Hierophant here. We have the Ace of Wands, the Three of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. There is a connection coming in. There is a connection coming in that there's going to be a brand new beginning in your love and relationship area, where you are going to have a brand new beginning in a particular situation, a collaboration, a coming together, coming back together. Most of you, it's a new person, new energy entering in your life, but with a lot of boundaries, with a lot of clarity. Like, this is what I can give, this is how it's going to be, otherwise I don't want it. So a chance to have a brand new beginning in your love and relationship area with a totally new energy for most of you. 90% of you, a new energy, a new person is entering in your life, when you will be doing your own thing, enjoying your own life, doing your own thing. That's how unexpected and sudden it's going to be. But this connection, this situation that's entering in your life is having the potential to go somewhere. Again, you are going to be very, very clear. You are going to be very, very sure what you want and what you don't want. Maybe you're going to say yes, maybe you're going to say no. It's your free will, but you are attracting a connection, a new soul connection in your life very, very soon, sooner than you're expecting. Just new love is around the corner for you guys, Taurus. If you want it, go ahead. If you don't want it, you have every right to say no or ignore it. Okay? Because even if we are going as a collective, we are going through same kind of energy, but we do have a free will, and every person have a different story, even if we share the same kind of zodiac. Because I am single, I don't have anybody to look forward to. I don't have anybody that cheated on me or did something wrong with me like this. So this reading is partially applicable to me. New person, new energies are coming to me actually very frequently. So I'm just giving you an example, right? So not every Taurus is on the same journey, but these are the energies available for you for this week. Make good use of this, okay? For you, the guidance here is the Chariot. Do not, even for a second, do not forget why the past is in the past, why you have to force yourself to move ahead, why you have to understand that you have to break certain kind of patterns and then keep moving ahead in your life. Don't forget the why of whatever you are doing right now, because whatever you are doing is good, is working out. Keep moving ahead, keep going ahead. Do not look back, Taurus. You don't have to. The past is over, the past is gone, the past is in the past for a very, very big reason, for a very, very deep reason. Don't go back in the past. Even if you're starting a brand new chapter with a new person, with a past person or past energy, you should keep your boundaries, you should keep your energies very, very clearly and honestly in front of them, then move ahead. Okay? Cool. Not walls up. Your heart should be open, but your boundaries should be there, the non-negotiables. Good to go. This is a very good reading. I'm happy for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.